Watch the process of me making akara, guys. So this is the akara. Here is the beans I'm using for this akara, guys. White beans. So I pour it inside the plate and added water to it. After adding water to it, I turned it around before covering it. So I leave it for like 2 minutes before washing. If you want to wash your beans, don't allow the beans to be too soaked so that it will be very easy for you to use your hand to wash it, guys. So guys, here is the beans. I'm done washing it. All I need to do now, I will add water inside to soak it so that I can blend it easily, guys. Who they run and now left what material they run and now the sharp for the beans be that. So the beans I've done soaking. So it's time for me to blend it, guys. As you can see on this video, the beans already rise. So I take it small so that I can blend it easily. You can see it. This is the blender I'm using, so I have to blend it small. Guys, share this video. Follow my page for more updates. This my page will learn how to cook every day. So this is the pepper I'm using. I'm using 2 fresh pepper and onion. So it's time for me to slice it before adding it, guys. Akara na the easier food you fit make for the comfort of your home. Even if you no sabi cook, this akara you fit make am. If you get beans for house, say you no get any other food and you get that beans for house, make it, use it to make akara. Even if you not add anything, just slice onions and pepper. You don't even need meat, you don't need fish. Fry it and eat it. Drink water and you will be full. It is very easy and it tastes very nice. So I'm done slicing the onions and the pepper. I added it and I also added salt, as you can see on this video. After adding the salt, I turn it around. Make sure you turn it around. You know, if you want to fry akara, you have to turn it so that everything will mix together. It will combine together very well. So I'm turning it, guys. Make sure you share this video, like and share. If you're not sabi make akara, watch this video and you will sabi make akara. So I'm done turning it. It's time to fry it, guys. You see, so I'm cutting it inside the oil. It come out very yummy, guys. My people, this my frappan don dey beg for forgiveness. Una see the way they under look. Anything I want to fry, I will use this frappan and fry it. Oh my gosh, guys, share this video. You are still working on your money, guys. Oh God, though, what una buy frappan for me? It's not easy. This akara come out very delicious. You can see the way I'm turning it, guys. So guys, make sure you like and share. So the first set is ready. The first set is ready. If you have children at home, just take a look at this akara. You will observe something. After packing it out, I put other one inside the pan. Before you know it, my kids come back. Mama, want to eat akara. I want to eat akara. Before removing the second one, the first set has gone down. Guys, share this video. It's not easy. Akara is a very food. It's a very easy food to make, guys. Share this video and follow for more. Even me, I was frying it and eating it. It really tastes delicious. When I see the first set, it don't go down well because we don't chop inside. But see akara. Not tell me say you not sabi make akara. Don't tell me say you not sabi make akara. If you not sabi cook, come to my page. I will teach you how to cook. I dey tell you, na me be the best cook on this app, the best original cook. Any food you want to learn how to cook, come to me and I will teach you how you can cook it. Just legodi my akara now. Akara is ready. Guys, come and yummy with him. Share this video, guys.